be. I have from the dead. Yes, I'm here, my two eye. A brand new deal, what so we a bad man, as I would the fuck, what to what is so. Rainbow Baba, what it. But it's so I give it to you, what you know. Look, go feel it, look, go, feel it. Get to me. Look, go feel it, look, feel it.
Random music.
I be the mastermind, eh? If you play me, I go show you. Be my tune, I'm sing. Me let you my sing. Ebe mara mi nyejuma. Me de margin in yansa ne pesika.
What's happening with you? Huh?
Who was the police officer?
That's what you're not talking about.
I know him. He's a fake officer.
Not seeing you then.
I know him. He's just some useless, jobless guy. How did you even meet him?
What do you mean? The commander gave him to me. He's the one handling the case.
I've been trying to call you since yesterday to inform you about this.
Yonko inside now.
No. I just came here to inform you. You said the guy is a scammer and you should do without him immediately. I was all cutting it off.
You sure don't want to come inside? Oh.
I be the mastermind, eh? If you play me, I go show you. Be my tune, I'm sing. Me let you my sing. Ebe mara mi nyejuma. Me de margin in yansa ne pesika. Adwene na tija wate. Boy say yansu ye pre wate. Udi see ya metu. Adwuma ni diwa ubesu. Ya toche wa ubehunu. Ya shema wa ubesu. Loco feel it. Loco feel it. Loco feel it.
Hey, Dufe.
Yes, now.
Now, my friend, this week, I brought you with your friend, and they gave me the. Kofi invite you.
Now for sending me video, may invite you for 10 like in pain for a cuckoo down for one.
No.
And then my issue.
And I enjoy for making the master game and fun. See, you're better than.
Oh, me? I mean, not custom, say like.
And so, madam.
You're serious,
boy. Hey. I'm going to have a bad idea.
Okay, your man, you've been a man of suspension.
See, no, you know her.
Oh, hands on, Ameba. And I can show you, see, you're one of the best.
Oh, you are? Get you.
Are there, Unemno?
Yes, minimum no. The last time I spoke to him, Okachirame said he was unemployed, and that was about 3 months ago.
Oh, that time no suspension. Suspended at that time.
I'm boy now.
Oh, I'm kind of full, yeah.
Now, I was so uncroffing.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, very one. Boy, if I cry, I'm going to go to you, man.
Okay. All right.
How far?
Commander, Patrona may train.
Okay. Where were we? Continue.
Kasa.
But when we were on the road, yeah, we got to a roadblock until there. They had diverted. They diverted and I'm kind of Get him to the hospital.
Hey.
Tonight is the night of our biggest match in town. And ladies and gentlemen, tonight we have with us two boastful players who want to battle. And at the end of the day, we will know the winner. And the winner will go home with 10,000 Ghana. And the loser?
Nothing.
Exactly. Wow. Nothing. So with the greatest applause, help me welcome the Crusher! And who is he that wants to battle with the enviable Crusher? He's a man who calls himself, and I call him the pioneer. He says he's known in every game center. So tonight, may I welcome the pioneer!
Someone has made a mistake somewhere. All right. I heard them call one of the players the Crusher. Huh? So what do we do?
Let's sleep.
Amanda, what about the spectators?
Who cares?
Oh, I think they are bad nearby. Can come on, fans can cry.
Are you going to play?
No, sir.
But sir, you requested to play.
I'm not a player.
Oh, sir. All of a sudden.
Let's go. Let's get the hell out of here. Let's go.
Yes, sir. Commander, this is someone.
Run, let's go. Come in.
Yes, sir.
The information we are getting from these suspects is nothing to fall back on.
Commander, information ya brepa nienya. At least minim say yenyandro enimu de bakakra na yenya na me sure say betimi agada enya concrete on apobi wo netimi de afole on.
No, let's get them all out. Near start you.
What is our adrian on kakra?
Might take you over.
Oh, nah. Commander, I take you over, say.
Because any investigations now kono me
as a Juma is here, the shamans and no patch and me Juma ye. But Commander, me brother me Juma. Quote unquote suspect in an ye to see a mountain so. Suspect ya titi baby. What a me a crown ounce and no crown out a suspect ye better. Information there ya lining up and ye Commander, trust me. Very soon, you're the Nina Ban when makes sense. Won't see Benya crime suspect and Ankasa.
Now, information now, I am dear now to me, dear.
I know they said I'm fine, dear. Bemo step. Or say, me, my address say one on that doors one. That is it. Me, I'm a be presentation at your say, and confine in your need to me take action.
So far, I don't know best player, eh?
Yeah.
They me who some person number boy na me jana ho koy.
Wait, I'm so sorry. We're so sorry. I'll take the blame. We're so sorry.
Don't worry. This is not a blame game, you know. Just cards. No idea now what me achieving.
Okay, first of all, Edem, he's a very clever player. And by far, the most richest player I know.
The richest? Do you have anything I want?
The man is fancy.
Incredible. Why?
I don't make a man.
And he said, "Oh, fail you for the first time out. Me back, bebo."
Yeah, and you brought Beba, but in that Thursday, not Thursday, it's an on-board game. Though Beba, but a on-board game. Yeah.
I like his style. Ebe me the pa si me shiano. Ebe me the pa.
Eja. Abe juma ni.
Me friend for backup. Why you ready?
Commander, na say one mema wa. Backup afraid yes who here.
Do before complain.
All right, sir.
Eba at 7 o'clock. Eba saba.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, I need 2 of your men for an operation. They must be in Mufti. In my office. Okay. All right. See you. Bye-bye.
You can ask me about anything, but not about my marriage.
Madam, me, I don't get interest for your marriage.
Perfect. What do you want to know?
Madam, what do you really know about your husband?
I just told you that I don't want to talk about my husband.
Madam, Nyabotre.
Okay, fine. Go ahead.
Your husband don't tell you, say, or he don't tell you how far we don't go with this investigation so far?
No.
He don't tell you?
He doesn't talk about it, and when I ask him, he ignores it.
He not tell you, say, we get suspects for our custody right now as I talk to you. When do they agree talk?
My son is a Mikael with the dad, though. He doesn't know anything about it.
How you did know?
Officer, so when you be if he knew something about it, he would have said it a long time ago. Officer, have you even sat down to think about how those 2 people were found in the car unconscious when they couldn't find the money?
Madam, already we get suspect and evidence where we work with for now.
Okay, fine. Go ahead then. So why are you asking me questions?
Madam, you know, say one section for the media they ask us to interrogate you. What do you get to think about that? About your husband?
He might not be of a good husband to me. But I try to do everything as a woman to support him. Officer, look at me. Do you think I'll do that to my husband?
These days, nothing will not possible. Everything is possible, madam.
Listen, we are just making this up to make your work easy for you.
Madam, the last time when me and you talk say the security officer and the accountant no be people where they talk say them be. What do you mean by that?
That one, we covered it.
Cover him. You and who cover him? You and who cover him? Wait, you know say this thing where una dey do. You dey confuse the public.
Mr. Officer, are we talking about taxpayers' money here or we are talking about someone's money? What is this about the public? What has this got to do with the public?
Madam, that money, they won't use that money pay public workers. You know, tell you.
Officer, are you a policeman or a journalist? Tell me. You know what? I don't have time for this bullshit.
Madam, you see?
Understand music. I be the mastermind. If you play me, I go show you.
It's okay. It's okay.
Gentlemen, this is going to be one of our toughest missions. He is a hardened criminal and a very good shooter. If he becomes defensive, shoot to disable him. I will defend you.
Yes, sir!
Good. 2 of you will be at the exit of the pub, taking care of human life and properties, whilst looking out for any suspicious activities. I will then enter with the other 2, who will take care of the exits of the pub.
Commander, one question. The approach to now will be used with the technique because strategical.
Don't worry, I will take care of that. Any more questions?
Commander, your name nipa no.
Don't worry, we will figure something out. Understood?
Yes, sir!
Are we good to go?
Yes, sir!
Good. Excellent. Let's move. But one last thing. If you die for country.
Yes, sir!
Which country?
No, sir!
Huh? Hey.
Yes, sir.
Good. Let's get up. Move!
All right, sir. Okay.
Me let you my essay. Ebe mara mi nyejuma. Me de madi ni nyansa ne pesika.
I don't know how am I supposed to know that. I do ask, but the person doesn't say anything. How am I supposed to know that though? I don't know. I don't know. Hello?
Hannah.
You stay here and be ready.
Yes, sir.
You. Follow me.
Yes, sir.
Be professional and be very careful. If we lose him tonight, we are never going to get him again.
Yes, sir.
Don't touch any other person unless they obstruct you.
Yes, sir. But sir, what if they overpower us, sir?
Shoot to kill.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Waba.
Onyambe. Ola de pere pati le healthy abronten.
On komoda no.
Bit ma swear.
I do.
Okay. No trouble, baba. 1 hour time. So bit ma twena.
Okay. That's it.
But Charlie, if I learn how to play this game. But wait, why did they keep long like that? If you come out, where you make it run, you go see for here today. Oh, you know what I go do? You wait, if they come out, you go see how I go grab them. If you come out, where make it run, we will go see for here. Okay, then you go see. You go see who go laugh at them. We dey wait. Okay. We dey wait. Okay. Oh, but Charlie, the game they jump.
You are wasting my night.
I'm dead, Papa.
Look, I need to be touched. That's it?
I'm not gonna cry.
What do you Why? What the There is no space there. Come on, babe, let's go inside. Let's go inside.
You can move out.
Baba.
What's on to Mumbo?
Oh, it's not for 2 hours now.
We're so sorry. We're so sorry. I don't know.
Anyway. Channel, are you ready? I'm frame. Alright. That's it. Let's go after him. Quick!
I'm the gun.
Put it down.
Sir, but we are going to lose him, sir.
We need him dead or alive.
I said, pull up! Pull up! Oh, easy. You think I'm talking? Okay. Hey, back! Back! Here they are.
Okay, all right. Don't gossip. Put your head down and see. We will get it. Pull up or I shoot you. Hey, you are not going anywhere. Pull up. You're under arrest. Bring him. It's okay. Bring him. Okay. Bring him. Go. Put him inside here. Go. Put it. Just shot him. Just shot him. Go. Just shot him. Thank you, man. Drop in there, though. Just drop in there. Go. Put it down. Sit there. Right now. I'm the one who got it. What do you want from me? We are protecting you. Protecting me? From what? From anything that may harm you. Nothing harms me. I want to get down. Calm down. Is this protection?
This is protection.
People want to slap me. You say it's...
Banana, my head. What is wrong with me? And I'm disappointed. Until I'm going to attend me. Now, going to someone go in the panel. I'll call you. Come on, outside in your mouth. I don't go away and be out. What is wrong with me? There's nothing wrong with me. This man's not cheating on me.
Hello.
Sit down here. Leave me now. I'll nod your head. It is how they play with you. Where the money dey? Put your hand down.
It's quite dangerous and unpredictable. So, we have to guard him all night. Disconnect everything and clear everywhere.
How long am I going to be here?
You determine that.
How?
You will know soon. Gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
See you in the morning.
Yes, sir.
See you in the morning.
Didn't you hear that? Say, see you in the morning. Okay. We died here. So, put your head down.
Commander was saying something that...
Where are you going?
You're not a friend. Also.
And today?
Uncle Fear.
What? How about me? How about me?
I just come out, draw.
I
got some mommy whom I'm not sure.
I will say those.
Be one.
Nanka some time back, I person no boba o yi film. Other problem bi wo ana.
David.
Make us when me be see me ni agye sani a wo ball game.
What else?
How long have you been playing?
A couple of years now.
Oh. And that's why you kakra ultimately fat town. Anya cash kakra. Oh, I say yeah. I will move you out of the poverty line.
The one way thief. It is a no. Yeah, here.
Me tell on cano me and actually me who no. Me recommend you my national headquarters. And I can say on person because there was some continental games via Airbus.
Until opposite.
Kind of. Okay. And it made the 2 year player list.
Annie.
Okay, good. A bad, but a criminal record no. Can't mean you.
Charlie, why they beat me now? Why they beat me? Sit down, my friend, you mad? Sit down! You won't fight the commander. You did point hand. Commander, sorry, sir. The commander, no baby attack a police officer.
Commander, please. We are very sorry.
Focus!
Anyway, we can't prove it, but I am not saying that. See me in my office.
Yes, sir.
And don't treat him like a criminal.
Oh, we will, sir. Hey, sorry. No, sir. Yes, sir.
Any police officer ever go on interrogation. One at all, sir. Nonsense.
Me let you my essay. Ebe mara minya juma. Me de madi nyansa ne pesika. Adwene na tija wate. Boy si yansu ye pre wate. Udi si ya metu. Adwuma ni diwa ubesu. Ya toche wa ubehunu. Ya shashama wa ubesu.
Yes, sir.
He is a clever guy. If we don't pretend, we are not getting nothing out of him. What do you suggest?
So, why not just cuckoo charge him?
Charging, we will definitely charge him. But we must take away fears and talk to him instead of interrogating.
Commander, I know Nessa.
Oh, we set him up with the other guy to incriminate himself.
Sir, that one, if we lose him now.
We can't lose him. I'm taking him out to play. You will bring the other guy to join us.
Commander, still I had the Thomas Papa because then I would tell me who said I pay.
Yeah, me too. I know I'm not buying it. I know they buy
Crimination here.
At the end of it, I have figured it and it will work.
Alright, sir. Okay, sir.
But don't let him out to the media.
No problem, sir.
So, you can leave now.
Permission to follow, sir.
Carry on.
How are you?
Oh, yeah? Now where?
Where? Nah, one friend is your and son of I.
Oh, imagine me never far. I'm pretty sure you. In Bibia, Miss Can, now are you? I was no more.
I don't know anything. Why do you ask?
Forget it. It's you. Wow. Oh, mommy, papa. Anima. I just should be out of them children. How are you?
Aww, that's so sweet. You know what? You can stay here for as long as you want to. You know I like you, and I'll do anything to keep you. Put me at now. You can stay here. Now, if you can't away in a man, you're more now. We are did it. In your damn measure the park or kitchen, a Jimmy Sam, and near and busy a pimp papa bini a abumwa ye chew up to you, a morning na Kobe near the Adina, and Fabere.
Wow. Mommy, papa.
Picture of crown try.
Me imagine great.
It's my job so to make up because it was a scabber feet. But let me relax a cracker. Yeah. But go to the bedroom and then feel comfortable. This is here. Are you ready to listen to me?
I like your style.
Thanks.
I used to be playing, but for some time now, I don't get the time.
You are not a player.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, you know. I don't have... For some time, I have not been playing.
Don't lie to me. A player who doesn't even know when to hold back.
No. Well, that was a perfect play. Hey, stop.
Hey.
How have you been?
Do I know you?
Really? Don't remember. I was in the car that was transferring the money.
What are you doing here?
Well, I know, nothing. What are you doing here?
See, the police are here. Don't fool around.
The police? Why? What have they heard? What do you want in my pocket, man?
What is this?
It's mine.
Hey! You! Get him down!
Yes, sir!
Commander, am I free to go now?
No, not yet. You need to be signed out officially at the office.
Okay.
Hey! I'm supposed to be here. It's already there.
Where is his car?
Commander, yeah. Dabio, yeah. Ya konesia. Cause I na wo say ya park won nchen ya.
Let's find him. Let's go.
Sir.
Wherever we'll find him, let's go now. We are all going.
Okay. Mbet me take lead. Mam na me kwa kwatwa my office.
Let's go. We are all going now.
We are all going inside. Oh, it's am be say na commander oh yeah me dream one mente ase. Cause you go inside me trust say no. You tell ya one no beba go me so commandant ya baffled. I can't talk to commander. Afena ye ni na enquire no. Momo come ra meet you guys and
it's obvious you are showing gross insubordination and I will not take that.
If you won't take the obey take no take na yakọ.
We are going now. Let's go.
Don't tell
Move it.
Panya. C'est pas. Hello. Na, when I'm nene kasi. What sort of nonsense is this?
Ask me ya me ya. Hey.
Hello, Farouk. Huh? Where are they saying? Move here. I'm a better day. Yeah, catch no commander. They say mean 2 minutes one and 2 minutes watching. Remember baby I'm a better day. Eh? Enya masam mese memba ho. Farouk. Na wana ka sa guy no wasam drum. Hey, I cry and family home. And near my sam, may see me in 2 minutes, 1 and 2 minutes watching. Cattle commanders are. Farouk, Sansa now the file phone the frame. For Sansa now carton. ate no dia mompe no mako fa asem abek nipa waya Trameba
I brought you into the service when it was not supposed to. Will you help me now?
Hello, sweetie.
Hey.
Were you going to work?
Yeah.
So soon? I thought you were gonna work on me all day. Oh, any mom there, no car. But anyway, that's not saying why improve me. One personal grade, nice.
Nyami no kwafu.
Oh, my phone. Hello. Who is this? What? Who is this? Who knows you are here? Are you sure? A strange number has been calling me. Ofrebia or Kasati Senior on himself has it. Again, one of those unknown numbers may be private. I'm very worried about it. But your boss.
The marriage will be connections.
And you say what?
What are your plans?
Commander. Hey. Plans the mini plan me out.
So how do we follow him?
Why?
Chairman.
Oh. Commander said there. Who there? We shall say it. You are my boss. So whatever you say, we will go with that.
No, I mean they are more than me. It's your job. It's my winning now.
Sir. Okay, no problem. Okay. Now number one is here. He be chicken na question. You bisa na nsem. Yes.
Na no be
Oh yes. I no commander. Trust me. Obeyi nsem ni na no. No no be me ehu de eyi e wo chairman ni tiri mu. Ene ne ma o chairman na hihye na ye be hu.
Ene ye do ani mu ha far right.
Go on na was way.
Yeah, go far girl.
Oh, sir. Maybe suggest him I will say that we are covered the own now be who's an obey.
Sometimes I like your judgments. Yeah, sometimes you know.
Oh, thank you, sir. But that's a fact because I had times that you need none of my car offer. Maybe all now 5, but me who say, may ya dear. Yeah, dear.
Na fana nzembe na wo bisa.
Oh, commander, I no grade and Kenya problem. Oh there. Men su strategy na it anka plan na me ma fa me person bisa ni nsem bia no na chese. O de yima no ha. Ni ehu ni trim ni ehu. Jama no su trim. O we ya da metai. Ka na anya to ba be.
Na Hanse.
Mrs. Bambro.
It's serious here. Oh, look how was shoe. I'm penteminty.
Really? Want any perfume?
One perfume? No, I hasn't bizarre.
Miss want any perfume?
Miss, oh yeah, oh you be some asama.
Hey, Mama Kenshaw. My area, you're just creating distance between us.
When you be fair,
when was the last time you moved? Catch her.
You be in fear.
Oh, it's one and answer where we trousers more.
Be and music. Music be fair, Casa.
No problem.
Let go my essence. Ebe marami nyejuma. Mede madini nyansa ne pesika. Adwene na tija wate. Boys yansu ye pre wate. Udi see ametu.
Yeah, hello.
Police for now.
Edem. Time.
A few minutes ago, me nim dentia.
Okay. What about?
Ani me wa ba honom.
Nti see anything.
No me dream say him follow ya na se bibi.
Oh, Debbie. In the lawyer said, "Would the entry copy 6 p.m. Oh, say, Omen releasing her, then we'll take action from there."
Now who call no can den chromo.
Man can be or the me for which I.
You mati bye.
Eja, Missy, Ame, meaning datey. Oh, Michelle. One night stand, it is your nippon to me for 1 night stand. Eh, the conscience, how far, Nipa get to the feelings, and the crap might be some minimum date. Minimum dose, Jamana was 14 or 15 years. I have a question, system. Minimum, about to know champion.
I didn't know bow.
Dates now, will soon pay my bow.
And Miss Salmon was here, said.
What about Hobble game? What about Bonomensa? Anna, the same reasons no boho.
Sometime be a chin saw ye fraud. And they won't so new name. Before 1 night now, after 1 night now.
My American day. Menini involve Bibia Obama. Eja, your friend, command Messi, menene nyeshi, or your 1 night stand pen 1 day. Me yesho do 1 hour po. Says 15 seconds or 15 minutes, 16 seconds. Neja, Bibia bro, me shama temu komi. If you have questions, be
records are your watch, I say, only knowing that yes, I'm criminal activities.
Amen. Now, Lenima, it's your mother. A baby to nominate your baby. See, a penny penal question, Chrono question. But member from Entina had they name baby some questions there. Nippani day, Nippani that. Or your criminal, me, Nimano, on your machine, Nini, she,
Now, son, and Okoye, then when you feel.
Main Quaniho. Obama ba, Oba boy, Moropon. Na Moropon to me Janowa. Me to me Janowa Montu Donimu. At me can answer. Definitely also me because me Janowa management so one task them. Tell them to make sure that are you okay.
Only no Kofi, so on a drive here.
Whom another be na bekejo.
And you'll be on a catcher me, and you mean soon me whom. Pictures are. You child, she say a what?
Men shadow I am. I know your picture now and any problem. I can't question.
Oh, yeah, Juma Ben.
On
a security agency,
Miss Meaning.
And I mean Chelsea, on a security agency, be a Juma.
Try me do your security agency. In him do your security agency. Not Erica Trim. Another Eribis like.
Dana, me can't say me no big board game. Our friend, no. I can't say on me more because on name. I don't think one can check.
I'm my friend. I'm me. She many me. Any man. I'm my friend. Now I want a number. Meaning a number.
Or no number.
I know why I'm a number, no problem. Number be a bit many. So far as our phone up at the number to the door, no problem. That's what I make an answer. And I'm not going to waiting the phone, waiting the number that's in the phone, and I'm waiting for my number. We keep number now on frame, and I didn't be up a dog about home, no, put them around that. For that one, don't have problem, but I'm not going to put me, I'm not going to make the meaning number.
Now, down for Ben now.
No one knows I mean, not down for me. Meaning the young could be out, meaning the young could be out.
Some time back, I'll come and say, or no, but I could Tiana or for. I'm Mason. And talk be seen and you're not down for being a frail pouch.
Ne uncle Fra me Pamecho. Bema, Eja, sorry, Eja commander. My boyfriend, not Brenton or Shoshano. We're two different people. Then to say, the one that crash now and the same person, oh, yeah. Then my boy, that. Oh, yeah, my boy, and to Shoshani Pana. One question. No one did that me question and answering to that like, Mamma Bosha was Yana. Maybe I'm the page, ma.
Because your boyfriend, no.
Miss Sonia, my boy, Eja commander, Miss Rameka, Miss Sonia, my boy, meaning in she. Ah, I was some so cram pony.
Your best shoe.
Won't you shoot? We should soon. Ah, this is an opinion, na bed there. Ordinary, wouldn't it? If a her cake, offer her boy. I was some so cram. Ah, hey, you were German poem, coming from Comedrum, call you German. I'm going to piss
Do you want to make some calls?
No, sir.
A brother, a sister, or a friend?
Still no, sir.
And you?
Sir, Harry Grace. No.
The Yarrow guy has a lot of information. We must use him to get what we want. He seems to know everything.
That one too will be another criminal. Or?
As long as he provides us with the information we need, I don't care about that.
Sir, you don't know your family, you don't know the boy, where you come from. I want to. So that one go hard though.
I just told you Yarrow has rich information.
What if he's an accomplice?
He's not.
So now you go tell the guy say he go give her work. Now the guy don't believe you.
Then why did he run away? He can run away while I keep my job.
Now we will try. We will try this one.
We will try our best question.
We will try.
You're a different crowd. You hockey game.
Okay, so dismiss.
Uncle, sir. Permission to follow, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I am meeting at your court. Why you dey shout? Come on, them. I'm angry. They shout. You dey wear earphone now. Stop. Sorry for shouting, sir.
I've heard this one. A comedy make it come by heart. In the group.
Carry on.
Two more shots. And them. Call that your partner for me.
Never.
Oba, Famanu.
See, I have not seen him since you arrested him. I have not set eyes on him.
We did not arrest him.
You and your friends lied to me. Me. The whole name. You know who I am.
Madam, we are trying to help him. What is wrong with that? Do you have any idea how many people are looking for this opportunity?
No. Forget it. I'll give it to him when I see him.
And tell him we're not interested in his crimes, if there are any.
You know, I really appreciate all you have been doing for me lately. How do you relate with your wife these days? Why did I say anything wrong?
No.
So answer me.
Ima, you had a confession. You know, it's because of me.
What do you want to know?
Honestly,
You need to promise me, Semi, can we out the me?
I promise. So tell me everything. What's it about?
Everything that has been happening to you lately. You may not believe it, but I had to gather courage to tell you this.
Just tell me. Just spill it.
Do you remember the first night we spent in the hotel?
Which of the first nights?
The night after we go back together.
Oh, yes, I do. And, you know, I still have memories of that night.
Yeah, I do too. That night, Nami hears Kabi urgently, but not me who am first will be sounding. My friend was down for Nabil.
You did what? Nabil, my friend? You...
Are you leaving me here?
What's there?
Driver, at your young call. Wait a minute. Hello? Then echo. Saying. Oh. I'm going out of town right now. So direct it to someone else. Oh, ready. Hey, police phone. The police. I mean, to say I know what she'll be. I mean, see, this is not funny. Look, this is not funny. What time is it getting in? Okay. Until the Mefro. Seminya Mefro. Why? Any problem? All right. Driver. Yanko, you why? Pabo.
Let's be able to say some questions.
Oh, and this
This is your
but your envelope now the big jar on me Sabeka.
You see, I'm someone Ajuna.
Oh, how are them?
That's all kind of orphanage, man.
See information I should one from mine.
No, super. Interrogation crow, giddy. It's too harsh. And you guys know that.
Anyway, catch up and say I know be our experience or be represented until you're free. Why?
Martin, tell me catch up.
Where they go?
Ogweza.
Where are you going?
Oh, Commander, can I say me use washroom nearby here?
How long?
Oh, about 30 seconds, crash sharp. I'm busy.
$600,000 Ghana cedis. Pick it up by 5.
Mishaya.
2%.
Police from Oba.
Michelle. Now that's somebody come today.
Please, not forgetting. Maybe some question people be on. Because there's some question. So there's some answer be.
You should be done by now.
Okay. Any problem? I know what to do. Bye.
But be careful.
Yes, sure.
You should me trust.
Hello?
So, sir, how is this going to change anything?
I told her we found someone who is more experienced to represent us. So he will think our offer is genuine. Yeah.
I hope it works.
I managed to get his number.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
How, sir?
Never mind. Yeah, this is it. Can you call him? 053.
So I should use my phone to call him?
Yeah, that call him. 229202.
So I should dial it?
Yes.
Hello? So the guy with that? Who? The one who wear dress. Who? So I make a call and make it. Watch it. See, you pick the call. Yes. You pick up. Yes.
That's him. Let's go after him.
Sir, do you have to shoot? If you have to. Move it! Oh, come! Hey, stop there! Stop there! Handsome, move! If you make mistake, move! Handsome! Move it! Move it! Move it! Okay? Move it! If you move! If you make mistake,
answer.
What's not the archer? I'm so metane Minjan farmer.
Sorry, anything. Nine, see, nine. No, I do not damn soon. I do not damn it. My baby, my dream, Arabisha.
Say, me feel like me betina hadeya. What is wrong with it? Hade na kasa how many times na yet na hade? Bibia me ye bia be nya wan samaka. Nda ma ye de ocha ma ye de me ye bibia be kasa. Ah, senyo o papa posa kacha na mo huda akokra na me nyete. Na me kasa bebrebe na me nu anje. Ah. Bibia na o.
Yeah, sorry. Oh.
Nkoide kasakra. So bibi jijoa another in good mood man. You don't talk. At least at someone is in minim there. Ebi an a bad mood. Oh, Masumi, sorry.
Oh yeah. Being there. We be feel grandpa. I saw a lot to mum. And shaman crying. And mammy for to papa beer. And come tree on her. And I there. It's all nice menu.
Baby. Oh, we'll meet soon the FA Jumaba Menyoba Kawasam. Because Makasa, I don't even like the way I will handle case, no. Because suspects, if someone was suspect, when you're suspect will delay still any good information about it that no nyanse biara him. And at the end of the day too, me pay the way I media phone what exaggerate about the whole issue. What must na ye hunya in this ochna that. O kamanku tianka. Let's find another way of dealing with the suspects.
You know, it's someone or police phones him. Muntun young she. So she the chana in I watching.
Okay. I mean, I try my best. So don't blame me if someone can't share because make a ear a being a biaka. Said by my police phone now as what the one handle case now. That's fine, that's okay with me.
But why? I'm sorry there. Mbufu. So kake. Oh.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm kicking gundo. Pedamazin, Yabafaba.
Minim.
Nimde ya faba. Nimde enyinsen mpo.
Sit down. You're lucky. I lie, you're lucky. Now where you wear with this? To deceive officers of the law. You died there. Now where's with this one?
I'll take it.
So you the deceive officers of the law. Get up, remove the dress. Get up. Remove the dress. Right? Remove the dress.
Ah! Manda. Underwear.
Remove everything. Now pants you wear under our boxers.
Boxers.
Remove it. So you don't wear pants and boxers today.
Oh wow.
Commander,
your boxers.
You be transgender, you don't do surgery for this side. You don't do surgery. Sit down. Your case, your case. You died here.
Usunanso one pneumonia. The Denny na akwashasi.
Oh man, the pressure where this girl they give me, man, I don't understand. Just because she don't born for me.
What you got?
Yeah, my babe now. We're born. This is what's be her name? Farouk.
What when you majele?
I tell you.
Hey, ne mama ni danka bomo. Ono beba be yo basa wow.
Now she say she dey take me go court. Say I no give her the money on time.
Hey, me am crash she mau. Ajele.
I don't understand, sir. I'm just confused. I don't know what I could do now. They even the reason to take loan now, sir.
Take what?
Yeah, to take loan, take pay so that my mind would just
bank ben. Ah, now cry oh your salary so yan. No akodi loan. Loan now akodi no collateral. Collateral ben now the kwa.
Yeah, the collateral matter. I mean, the reason say I will use you, keep you for the bank. You see, as my collateral. You could just date here. Nobody say I know will come back for you. Well, I'll be your guy now. I will come back and pick you for that. You just date here for a while.
Huh? What the moko loan? And the nimba sa sefom. What me the middle loan man here. Now him come there I was had him kwa akodi loan. What them could see was a collateral bank and be close it down. And I make a tell.
I just
Can I come in?
Oh, you don't come in already now.
Oh, bo big fear bo pun every room say can you come in? Hey, mama.
Your money.
I think sike me the ball besia. Now so here dia ain't no dey ka oh no me interest no hu here me sa ka onya na dia bre me enya ne ntem.
It's your money. If I were demo her.
Which one be this? She can't take her for that.
Hey! Faru!
No, she enter the house, can't take her.
It is a kana ma papa on obey Hey. Some that them some name go abontin.
Now this money they insult me that time.
You asking me? Oh! Into me new wise say dem why me no dem say am ye 3. Okay. Me say me dem me woni me safo. Into woni na better dem wa. And then you coincide and wa be wie sika na. Me bo. Oh, I see. Me bo kwa do na. How you say sika no? Eh, where from for? I put it to you. You are a mutual criminal. I'm telling you.
I should take into the house.
Here are your keys. I took them from your branch just so I could get in here.
Branch?
Oh wow.
What else did you take? Because we're not going to scam. Quite saying me, short sister on one of
and yeah, Mr. Coin.
Hi, sister, I'll come for what? Oh, I'm fatal. Man, yes, I have you. What?
So when they can't take another thing, will they change this lock? Will they change this law?
Tonight, you have to change it.
They change. Which other thing you can't take?
I didn't know.
Minkumobia.
Until you're working.
Minim.
Evidence, meaning. Until count, one count. Yeah, she said, yeah, Saka.
Minkumobia.
Ushiano.
She met me at the pub, a day to the transfer.
You met her?
She introduced herself as she and asked me to accompany them with the money because only the security guard not really need money. That's the whole thing.
And you share the precaution.
Yeah.
Does the name ring a bell?
No, sir. I don't think so, sir.
Doesn't make sense. Corporal!
Yes, sir!
Take over.
Okay, sir.
I'll be with you.
Sure, sir.
Officer,
now this carnage, no, yes, I can. Also, she and a friend was say security company now, money on Edem, on your own Nibu.
What is she?
A dear old boy, she.
Am I confused? Now, one describe she.
Debbie. Describe she. All kind of she. Oh, I near Jamaican. Russia Senior Ben. Yahushi no. On never chance.
The men say me na. Action crime. And say back with action.
Yes,
of course. Ojo, 1 minute. Yeah, hello, sweetheart. Let me call you in 5 minutes, okay? Yeah, I miss you too. Okay.
Anna, and you be up at Bissau, Yeri. Mother, on your dear was not
accuse me, yeah.
Oh, there be say, my dear, on your dear was annual man, and a beer, no machine.
No, baby, with the machine.
Oh, it be a mother on your dear.
Maybe I got some real crazy. Anyway, oh, now, Jim, pray and see. More left.
Oh, there be many boys no back on that buy.
Oh, okay. On my fro.
Guy, why you slow like that? What's happening? You slow today. Why they ask me waiting up? It is that the only name they see area way. Weren't you in the office? Did you see what happened? Wait a minute. The suspect talked something today where I supposed to know. Suspect crank me. You know that Nadia girl? Oba office will be who commander. What you say? Na lie. Obe who command the railway? Who officer? What's happened? What did you go do there? What's happened? I'll go fin up. I never knew na near every guy. I don't know what to go talk for them.
Ha!
Because if not a good see commander, then do ya doom.
Yeah, me yakra and say, my friend na woman now fra on family call.
You didn't pick your call?
No. Ah. Oh, Bob. Samaba.
But why not get to do like that? Oh no, we just there on our own. She call us. Now she won't come destroy us or what?
No. Say if it be planned, wafa, I never born or anything.
Shall we drink up so we go? Ah. Oh. Like serious. Ah.
Me catch you, the way you treat him. The way I treat him. Scatter Makuma. And you don't see, baby, I fine.
I'm so the man. I come in.
A boy, man, your she.
A Jojo. If I had not trim. If I had not trim.
I am stubborn. I deserve hanging. Into catch your mom. I'm a banana, madam.
No, you. I'm a test to her.
No, I test them then. I'm going to be exams. DC players in the man. You can go to your school. Ah, make the mazin.
What you have? Birthdays be brave. I'm a moshi. I can't now boom. I channel up her. Maybe do. And that's what I'm calling now. I'm a show ball. If it's in there or a corner. Birthday be I want to be cow present.
Am I speechless? You let me if you put out chai at my birthday.
Oh, okay, Papa.
Oh, thank you. Oh, baby, me doll from Bonicham.
Madam, it is on your own ferry police. Eh? Man, till one is send ma'am back commander office obium. Menenya will first and last. I'll be 2-9. I call you commander office obium. What did them do? Ah, now where do my fian where am I and I would me straight to call commander office was out? Unim those I hear. Hey, what's why they own your cousin to want it?
Police my foot. Who your police me? Who your police me? Jama won't boom. Do you know who I am? Jama won't tell me kayo. O free so will bet to me abba me fear. Abba jina edidi me matem. I can yope atre me. What is Jare papa? Hey, shenu who be original ho. She na tare uniform ke sie bi e shano. Uniform a ehu nyina atiti o se asane o se den. Me ma record o. Meetings are nyina voice notes then calls bibia. What na kwa me record come is go yan. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Ma record o.
I'm be 3 and away. And then before. Why record them? Share? I'm in control. I'm a police officer by law. Who dim one go on? Hey, the bay off a bay all time. Me chew say ya. Me stretch you say ya. Who ni mama?
I'm not threatened by dumb police like you.
Hey,
she no who? She be our belt that. We didn't want to say near a friend is saying, I quite cry if a friend away. Ne bells a just. Ha! Hey, police me.
This is for attention position.
Now we shoot a crampono and your black never so she. Watch a black with uniform ye blue. Pabwa say grey, say then color.
Police.
Ubejina has said enemy babedi.
Police.
Maybe saw
police. Mam control. If you don't stay away from the commander's office, me am a buffia, me babe just single room one, no bet now more.
Sound.
And I'm a catch on.
And I record in the Benyabas.
Don't record them. Bibi any are not the recorded. Oh, Brandy and our song.
Which may chiri
but this for so the uncle and Peckamasa. Today, I come as a Mary.
I thought you were a tough guy.
And then a good night. Bye.
You. Babe. The man me.
Hot bath. You be a cherry. Honey, I expect to be a.
I'm the one over Sham. Let them be so them. Maybe I wage more for you.
I'm a man share now. You can't work very much.
Oh, Commander. All right. Commander, what's this going about?
Oh, that be your person interrogate your wife.
My wife them? No, I wasn't know the master me. This is the birthday. No.
It's me, baby.
Every day. Oh, China Minaba station.
Oh, that be I know civil cases, sir.
I say me, Massimo. Mama say, man, say, one in the marriage, which you mean now.
What was them, but one to me solve, and all their brain, and say, answer your case.
Ina bom says Yama, Bibia, your fine now.
Hope I see a force who call inside Anna.
No.
Corporal!
Yes, sir!
Take charge.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Masa! Jinanche!
Commander.
Hey, Masa! Jinanche. Ya botele!
From a data, you asking me ever to yai. A brand new deal, what so we a bear man as a what the fuck, what to what is you. Maybe Boba, what it, but it's so I give it to what you know. No go feel it, no go feel it. It's to me. No go feel it, no go feel it.
Random music.
I be the mastermind, if you play me, I go show you. Be my throne, I'm sing. Me let you my sing. Ebe mara mi nyejuma. Me de margin in yansa ne pesika. Adwene na tija wate. Boy see yansu ye pray wate. Udi see ya metu.